The best way for you right now to revamp your personal brand is to host an online event. You are the face of the event, but you also become the expert for that online event. Hi, I'm Veronica de Polo, and as an ex-PCO, professional conference organizer, and a personal branding consultant, I help entrepreneurs how they can boost and uncover their personal image branding through online events. As you can see, I am myself also rebranding what I am because actually I've always been doing that my entire life. So sometimes you gotta go back to basics. So right now we're living in a virtual reality that we don't even comprehend, right? But we gotta do what we gotta do. Like if they give you lemonades, you gotta make more lemonade, but you gotta make lemonade with gin, and you gotta make lemonade with tea, and you gotta create something that is just different. So one of the best ways for you right now as an entrepreneur, you can take or a new business owner, it doesn't matter, or somebody that doesn't even have a business, or you had a business but you don't have a job right now. The best thing for you right now is to create an online event. Because you give your clients and everybody in your community the knowledge that you have. Yes, we can't leave home. We're all stuck here. So what can you do to make things move forward? How can you take advantage? Everybody's in their home. The only way that you can do is to make an online event. So if you've been to an event before, you know that it takes a lot of planning and strategy and organization. But online events are little bit different. The cool thing about having an online event is that there is social media, but not only that, you can reach so many people that are in their home because social media goes everywhere, and you can actually market your event to whoever you want right now. Also, the great thing about online events is that you can have the demographics, the genders, you can know where people live, what do they do if they show up to the event or if they don't show up to the event, so you can motivate them, and you can even tell them, hey, you missed this, or come and check it out, and you send them an email. There's so many ways that you can engage right now for an online event. I believe that these events are great right now, but the problem that I see is that with time, people are gonna get tired with the same format. So why not take advantage right now and create an event with a different format that you're already giving all the information that they may want. So I am a believer of events that you give knowledge, you give back, you give them information nowhere else you can find. I mean, sheets, downloads, everything. So why not take advantage right now to have an event that is similar to what I'm saying? The important thing is that you need to have a good idea, and good ideas are everywhere right now. People are needy of good ideas, and I'm pretty sure that if you're listening to me right now, you're getting a few ideas that maybe you can do for an online event. So when I thought about it, I was like, no brainer. You gotta do online events. It's the only thing that they can do. They have to go online and make something that is different, innovative, and it doesn't have to be super costly or anything. No, the beauty about online events is that you can make them as intricate, as specific, as detailed or not. You choose what kind of event you want to do it. And if you are into the personal branding as well, it gives you a little bit of boost. It shows everybody what you're doing as well. Personal branding, or your company, or whatever. You know what I'm saying. So let me give you a few examples so that you sort of understand what I'm saying. For example, you are an insurance company or an organization that deals with insurance. What is the best thing you can do right now? Yes, you can do like a typical Zoom kind of event. But if you create an online event with juicy information, you have speakers, you have people talking, you get information, you get things in the email, you really spread your wings and invite other insurance company. Wow, right? Okay. For example, you are a superstar chef. You had your business, you had to close down because of the situations we're right now. What can you do? maybe you can create an online event for sous chefs, how to sharpen their knives skills, or sorry, I meant sharpening their knifing skills. I'm trying to go this as fast as I can. Anyways, so maybe they're in this event doing, he's doing the teaching, and he gives them techniques, and he gives little videos, and then they have a community where they talk, and this is what I'm talking about. Or for example, you're a hairdresser, and of course you know that you don't have any people walking in right now, but maybe you as a hairdresser and as a personal brand, you can create an online event where you teach mothers and dads how to braid their kids' hair. Or maybe you decided that you want to do like an event for other hairdressers. I don't know. There's so many ideas out there right now that you can actually create. The important thing is that start thinking, start creating, start imagining that ideal event that you could create. I'm gonna be bringing you tons of information about this because I can talk about events and online events all day long. So if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and make sure that leave me any comments. And if you have any questions, you would like to know more about my future course membership, make sure that you write me to info@veronicadipolo.com, and I will share with you all my details. This course is coming very soon, but I need to let you know that this is coming, so don't worry. I hope you are safe. Wash your hands, do everything you gotta do, listen to all the scientists, okay? And make sure that we'll see you here next week. And I see you in the mirror. Bye-bye. Ciao.